When it comes to upgrading your home, windows are one of the most impactful investments you can make. In Washington, where the climate ranges from damp and rainy in the west to dry and sunny in the east, choosing the right window solution is critical. For many homeowners, pre-made windows have become a popular, cost-effective choice. But how do they hold up over time? If you're considering a window replacement or installation, it's important to understand how pre-made windows perform in Washington's diverse climate, and why they may be a smart long-term solution for your home. What are pre-made windows? Pre-made windows, sometimes referred to as stock or standard size windows, are manufactured in common dimensions and styles. They're ready to install without custom sizing or long production times. Available in a range of frame materials, glass types, and energy efficiency options, they offer homeowners an affordable and efficient solution, especially when time and budget are priorities. Built for durability in all seasons, Washington's weather is as varied as its landscape. From coastal moisture and mountain snow to high desert heat, homes must withstand a wide range of environmental conditions. Fortunately, today's pre-made windows are designed with durability in mind. Moisture resistant. In western Washington, the constant exposure to rain and humidity can lead to wood rot, mold, and frame warping if windows aren't built properly. Many pre-made window options, especially those made from vinyl or fiberglass, resist moisture penetration and don't swell, warp, or corrode. These materials require minimal upkeep and are well suited for damp climates like Seattle or Olympia. UV and heat performance. Eastern Washington, including areas like Spokane and the Tri-Cities, sees more sun and extreme seasonal temperature shifts. High-quality pre-made windows often come with low E-glass coatings, which reflect UV rays and reduce heat transfer, helping keep homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Double or triple glazing and argon gas-filled panes further enhance insulation and durability. Longevity backed by engineering. Thanks to modern manufacturing standards, many pre-made windows last 20 to 30 years or more, especially when made from weather-resistant materials and installed correctly. Here's what contributes to their longevity. Reinforced vinyl or fiberglass frames that withstand years of expansion and contraction. Sealed insulated glass units that resist condensation and fogging. Impact-resistant locking systems and hardware that reduce wear and tear. Factory-tested durability ratings, so you know you're getting windows that can handle the elements. Pre-made windows from reputable brands are built with the same engineering standards as custom windows, and often come with comprehensive warranties that protect your investment. Maintenance requirements are minimal. In a state like Washington where rain, pollen, and seasonal changes can be relentless, low maintenance features are a huge plus. Pre-made windows in vinyl or composite materials require no repainting, minimal cleaning, and no sealant reapplications. A quick wipe down and occasional check on weather stripping are usually all that's needed to keep them looking and performing like new. This ease of upkeep translates into long-term cost savings, less hassle, and more time spent enjoying your home. Cost-effective without compromising quality. One of the biggest advantages of pre-made windows is their affordability. Because they're produced in large quantities and don't require custom sizing, the cost per window is often significantly lower than a custom alternative. Yet despite the lower price tag, these windows offer high energy efficiency, reliable performance, stylish design options, long-lasting durability. This makes them a smart choice for homeowners looking to maximize value without sacrificing quality. Final thoughts. A long-term win for Washington homeowners. Pre-made windows have come a long way. Today's models are durable, weather-resistant, and energy-efficient, perfectly suited for Washington's varied climate. Whether you're in a damp coastal region or a sunnier inland area, there's a pre-made window option built to last and protect your home for decades. If you're ready to boost comfort, reduce energy bills, and add value to your home, consider reaching out to a trusted Washington window professional to explore pre-made window options tailored to your region and needs.